Let's do that.
Forget about highway traffic safety controls.
Okay, let's talk about AI.
ChatGPT must be regulated, and AI can only be used by bad actors, warns OpenAI's CTO. Can be used by bad actors? What? Must be regulated, and AI can be used by bad actors.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, I got it. Not only, but also. I don't know why I added the word only in there. Yeah, well, it's no surprise. All the people, you even had Zuckerberg that forever was saying, I don't know, regulate it. I don't know.
Yeah.
Don't leave it up to me, regulate it. And it's it's almost like they know how hard it would be to regulate it. And in saying so, knowing it probably won't, or it can't move quickly enough. But I agree. I don't even know what those regulations look like. But there is such a gap in our understanding of the true capabilities.
I mean, schools are banning it from their network or computers.
Some are.
But that's not stopping people from using it at home or on their phones. It's like, I don't know. Trying to regulate it's very hard, is what I'm trying to say.
If possible at all.
Very hard.
If possible at all. And you're asking people to regulate it what is their experience with this stuff? You're saying, listen, we can't regulate ourselves. We're just out here building stuff, amazing stuff.
Yeah. Can you
take a look at it and figure out the rules and then
see the ramifications of what we're building really quickly, please?
Go look at what's happening over there. They can't brush up on this stuff in 15 minutes amongst all the other things that they're supposed to have a finger on. Like, these people are the wrong people to make the regulation in the first place. Mm-hmm. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's some chief technical officer that's fully aware of the risks and has all kinds of ideas around it. It's totally possible. But whenever I see Zuckerberg go talk to these people, there'll often be some sort of meme moment where someone's like, now explain to me why this image comes up when someone Googles me. And he's like, excuse me, sir, I'm from Facebook. I don't have anything to do with that. And like, who are the regulators in this regard? Who should they be? Yeah. Should it be this Congress, or should it be government officials, or should it be a coalition of...
Yeah, like a committee of like the most advanced people. Like,
who are these people?
Looking into advanced technology. I don't know.
Who are these people? Is it Lex Friedman?
Yeah.
Okay.
Elon,
all right. Let's just make Lex. Lex, you have to do it.
It's like, oh. But I'm doing push-ups.
Yeah. Listen, man. I don't know who's signing up for that. It's a terrifying proposal to try to regulate this thing. But most parties, even those building it and selling it, seem to agree they need some sort of regulation because they realize its ability to overhaul everything and to not necessarily always be used with the best interest in mind of the public. Mm-hmm. You want Eddie Snowden involved?
Yeah, why not him? He could be part of the committee, I feel like.
What about Alex Jones? Him too?
Yeah, he'll be the head chief.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
And it's always especially terrifying when it comes from the chief technology officer at the company.
Yeah.
The chatbot's popularity means it's too early to regulate it. There are questions about how you govern the use of this technology globally. Mira Murati said in an interview with Time magazine the company didn't expect its child would be met with such enthusiasm when it was released. Its popularity sparked questions over some ethical concerns, adding that such tools can be misused, can be used by bad actors. She continued, how do you govern the use of AI in a way that's aligned with human values? Yeah, how do you do it? They already were under pressure on the political side. It wouldn't write the poem about Trump, and it already got politicized, and then you had the separation, the right and the left, and man, humans, this is holy guacamole.
Yeah, AI is going to open a whole door of crap. Just crap.
Yeah, I don't know if it's AI or if it's humans, or I don't know who's. It's the combination. It's all parties.